Hi there, and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how I change simple return address labels into these juicy, grungy mixed media stickers. So I'm going to be using my jelly plate and some stamps, as you can see right here. These are the labels that I'm using. I'm using just the mini sheets just to kind of get a few under my belt, and then I can go back with the full sheets. But this offers an opportunity to just do a little at a time. So I'm starting with some aqua green. This is actually bright olive green. This is the bright aqua green. And then I'm also using some Payne's gray. That kind of comes out navy-ish color. And I'm just putting it down on my plate. And then what I'm doing is creating some space for the sticker to actually show through. So I'm not really thinking too much about how I'm applying the stamps because I'm just trying to take some of the paint off of the plate and also combine the colors a little bit to make it a little more interesting. So that is a stamp that's basically script writing. And then there was some X's stamp and then the bubble wrap. And then here are the stickers. The labels, I should say, that we're turning into mixed media stickers. I'm just putting them down on the plate and pressing firmly. So they come out a little grungy. It depends on how long you keep them on the plate and how thick the paint is applied to your plate. But I like this beginning because I can always add more later. It's kind of a little bit of an ombre effect with these. So it's a lot of fun to see how they show up, and then you can kind of go back in and add some more color to them. One thing I wanted to keep in mind also is that the stickers are in the middle of that paper right there. So the outline you'll see later that I'm actually going to use as well is just a bonus sticker. So this is it's not titanium white, it's called parchment. I really like it because it's a little off-white, not too strong. And then that is light rose. So again, just kind of taking some of the paint off the plate so that creates a little interest for the stickers. And we're also going to be pulling up the previous paint from the last pull. So I like using all the different colors together, kind of creates an interesting look. And these stickers you can use for anything. I'm going to use them in my mixed media art. I can also use them to close an envelope just for decorative purposes. You can have fun with them and just use them wherever you want. I think that one of the great things about creating art is the ability to make your own supplies so that you can make the art a little more personal and a little more your style. So here I am. I'm just using my helper plate because I had put some paint down on it from the stamps and just using those same colors to pull a print just to see what comes up. It's a little grungy, has some nice marks in there. I'll be able to use that. So here are the next wave of stickers. I really love how the print comes out. The lighter colors are really pretty. And I just love how it's all combining together. So now what I'm going to do is just kind of add some embellishments because we have the base down and I wanted to add some splatters. So this is magenta and I just combined it with some water to make it a little more fluid. And I'm just tapping the brush on top of the pieces just to get some splatters down. You can use just a little pencil, like tap on the pencil so that the brush hits the pencil. It creates a little heavier of a splatter, but I just wanted to keep it simple. And then I'm also using, that was a combination of the bright olive green and the navy color, the Payne's gray. So now I'm going back in with some stamps and kind of creating contrast on the lighter pieces with an olive green stamp. using that same stamp that I used on the jelly plate. So it just kind of creates some interest because it's a familiar shape, but in different colors. And now I just want to show you how you can kind of get bonus stamps. Now I pulled off the label border, and now I'm using press and seal on a piece of paper so I can actually just push the stamps onto the press and seal so I can reuse them later. So this shows you a whole other crop of cool stickers that I could use in my mixed media work. So you don't want to waste anything. It's a great way to recycle. And these just show you all the different kind of ways that you can change the stickers. You can draw on them, stamp on them, splatter on them. I'm just kind of having fun drawing. So here's a up close look at them. There's 4 in a row. You can kind of see where they separate on each page. So what I want to do is kind of just show you how you can use these in action. And this is one of my kind of meditative practices that I do. I create a collage a day and I post it on my YouTube channel if you want to take a look at them. But these are all different jelly prints that I've made. And I just wanted to use one of those multimedia stickers, mixed media stickers in my work to show you how you could use them as well. Thank you so much for following along today, and here is a whole list of mixed media art tutorials that may interest you. Hope to see you again soon.